How to simulate color space on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on developer options. Next, scroll down, and then in here, tap on simulate color space. From the pop-up, you can turn it off by selecting disabled, or you can choose the black and white color scheme by selecting monochromacy. So here you can see it looks like black and white. And then you can choose red, green, red to green, and then blue to yellow. So you can select Deuter anomaly, Proton anomaly, and Triton anomaly. So select one of the available options to simulate the color space on your device. So the simulate color space in your Galaxy S24 developer options is a tool that allows you to mimic how different color spaces might look on your device display. This is particularly useful for developers to test how their apps will appear on devices with different color profiles and to ensure that their apps are visually consistent across various devices. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So after you have finished testing, you can select disable to turn it off. Thank you for watching.